90% of the country is talking about the Maggie ban, but 90% of those do not know what it is all about. So we just thought to share some pieces of information with you.
Maggie, one of the most loved snack of the country, has been tested for excessive lead and MSG. Monosodium glutamate. Monosodium glutamate is an amino acid form of glutamic acid of... क्या लिखा यार? क्या लिखते हो तुम लोग यार?
Just before you draw the whole periodic table in your head, MSG, as we all know it now, is a sodium salt of the glutamic acid, one of the most abundant naturally occurring amino acids, which is added to Chinese food just to add flavor. A popular belief holds that excessive MSG can cause headaches and other feelings of discomfort, which are collectively known as Chinese restaurant syndrome. Imagine Chinese restaurant syndrome, which includes nausea, dehydration.
हाँ साला मेरे को तो मैगी खा के क्या क्या हो गया? बाल झड़ने लगे, आंखों से कम दिखाई देगा, कानों से कम सुनाई देगा, बोलने कम लगा, गला खराब हो गया, पेट खराब हो गया, कॉन्स्टिपेशन हो गया, लूज मोशन हो गया, बाइल्स हो गया, क्या क्या हो गया? पैर दुखने लगे, पानी दो यार मेरे को, पानी दो यार.
After this, Maggie was banned in UP, Delhi, Maharashtra, and approximately 12 other states of the country, due to which Nestle had to take it down. So this was the point when Congress has to realize, अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट नहीं चल रहा है तो उसको बंद कर दो.
तंत्र में हार जीत होती रहती है.
Suing Madhuri Dixit for Maggie is like blaming Land Cruiser for the accident done by the star or their drivers. Sorry Salman bhai.
The point in India is, Amitabh Bachchan is wrong if he endorsed Maggie years ago, but Katrina Kaif is doing fine if she's getting seduced by stupid mango drink.
स्लाइस की रसलीला में खो जाने से
You lost.
The irony in this country is, anything happens with the common man, we blame it to the celebrities, like blaming Mr. Bachchan for Maggie. Now, anything happens to the celebrities, we blame it to the common man. Like the drivers again.
Alright, just to continue that, an FIR has been filed against Preeti Zinta for an advertisement that she did 12 years ago. Imagine 12 years. Like even Preeti must be saying, इससे तो 13 साल पहले किसी पर गाड़ी चढ़ा दी होती. तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सन.
हेलो. हाँ भाई.
हम तुम में इतने छेद करेंगे कि कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे.
Sorry भाई. हाँ.
Concrete evidence have been found that Maggie is not only causing Chinese restaurant syndrome, but also affecting the brain cells of people, and they've started taking up jobs that they are not capable of.
So anything happens in the country, we blame it to the Bollywood. Okay, now just imagine, a guy in an unauthorized manner enters a girl's house and try himself on her. Who is to be blamed?
कुंडी मत खड़काओ राजा, सीधा अंदर आओ राजा, फूल बिछा परफ्यूम लगा के मूड बनाओ ताजा ताजा. कुंडी मत खड़काओ राजा, सीधा अंदर आओ राजा.
Recent news is that Nepal and Bhutan have also banned Maggie, but not Iraq. Because people there also think,
क्या फर्क पड़ता है, आज खा के मरे कल भूखे मरे, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, बॉम्ब गया और भुस.
Cold drinks contain lizards. Chocolates contain insects. Maggie has excessive MSG. Tell your mom, the only product that offers what they say.
advertising in India is really fertile industry. An A-list Bollywood actress tells us how she reaches her orgasm just by weirdly looking at the mango drink. Now, if you closely hear the ad, you'll just imagine a kid in the loo singing a song.
We hope Maggie finds a way out of this mess and we can have ample of it once again.
But just in case, if they don't, चल देखो एक और प्लेट पोहे खिलाता हूँ. चल.
भैया सेव खत्म हो गई.
मार साले को.
मार.